I was not planning to make this video, to be honest, but there were few requests from fresher designers and जो नए companies open कर रहे हैं, especially this video will be dedicated to you. And if you are a client or if you are just a general viewer, आप भी देख सकते हो that what we face in day-to-day basis while actually handling the clients. Video title से आपको पता चल गया. इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 3 projects in general we say no to. So first one is the Pinterest copy paste client. The client was from USA और पहली मीटिंग थी and usually I do the meetings before onboarding. मैं एक बार prospective clients के साथ बात करती हूँ. So this was that meeting. The client brief was I want a luxury home with full mirrors. They did not had any kids. They are planning to shift from US to India in this home. We started the meeting and there was a 43 page of presentation of each corner of the home. बेड की डिजाइन क्या होगी, wardrobe का डिजाइन क्या होगा. I'm not talking about her aesthetics. I'm not talking about references. उनके बजट के हिसाब से मैच करने वाले थे भी नहीं. But just seeing that it felt really overwhelming. I knew अगर मैं डिजाइन भी करना चाहूंगी तो उसमें we will start adding our creativity. And when the client is so sure about कि क्या चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, in that case offered her that I will I can give you my contractor, they can make exactly what you are looking for. But as a designing firm we have to design, we have to think, because कुछ चीज़ें practical नहीं होगी, there could be some conflict. So we decided to go ahead and say no to the client. The second is the other person did this client. So this was the reference client. It came from one of my previous client. 45 minutes की meeting चली and उस meeting में उन्होंने neighbor के घर गए थे. Ananya, will you be able to do a sliding partition? Will you be able to provide louver के paneling? And I kept asking them कि आपकी requirement बताइए. And उन्होंने हमेशा address किया कि दूसरों के घर में हमने ये देखा है, वो दिखा है, वो हमारे घर पे बनेगा या नहीं. That was the main topic of the entire conversation. And husband wife दोनों थे meeting में. आपकी requirement क्या है? Please मुझे वो बताइए so that I can guide you better. I asked them, please let me know like how many people are you at home? How many kids do you have? They informed me they have 2 kids and one of the kids, she has some visual problem. The moment it came out after a lot of pushing, मैंने उनको बताया तो that home should be according to her senses, but they did not agree. At the end of the day it's their home. I don't think my services will be best for them because I usually try to get into their lifestyle, understand how they live, try to give them home as per that. वो नहीं हुआ था, so I thought that is not going to happen for us. So lesson for the audience in this particular situation, that always finalize your lifestyle before you want to go ahead and get your home design. Always think about that. Third case was a very recent case and that is the lack of trust. And actually we onboarded this client और जब हम लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट करना चालू किया, डिजाइन करना चालू किया, just the briefing, he is a single person, bought this home for himself. We realized that client के पास idea नहीं है घर कैसे बनेगा. यहाँ पे client के references उन्होंने भेजा and it was so scattered. It had like European theme to British design. It had all kind of references to it. जो references थे वो भी scale के हिसाब से बहुत ही गलत थे. मतलब जो scale उनका घर है, जो references है वो भी अलग अलग था. We gave him the option. The first option was not up to the mark, I would say, even as per India Mata standards. The second option was very good actually. But the client wanted to see more option. कि अनन्या मुझे और 3 option दीजिए तब जाके मैं फाइनल कर सकता हूँ. मैं एक देख के ही फाइनल नहीं कर पाऊंगा. अब 3D में तो हजारों बार चेंजेस नहीं कर सकते. As per India Mata terms and conditions also we can do it 2 to 3 times. But continuously he kept asking for more options. फिर we decided that we'll give him few options. दिया, but did not work out. We decided to drop from the project. That's it. So I have just noted down few red flags also. And I'm not talking about the green flags. There are hundreds of clients. Like आज इंटीरियर माता नहीं होती अगर हमें अच्छे clients नहीं मिलते. I just touch wood. बहुत अच्छे clients मिले, बहुत प्यारे लोग हैं. जैसे option 1 था, flag 1 is unrealistic budget 10 लाख की है, वो references जो है वो करोड़ों की होती है. Missing communication, they will not listen to whatever you are guiding them कि sir please understand this, that this is not possible. Right? It's a two-way communication and इस पे एक चीज़ होती है flag to red. तो यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. Now saying no to the clients हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's a choice or it's something that we want to do. We have a limitation. We understand we have lot of limitation as a company as well. Even though we want to scale, but then there are a lot of limitations as we are speaking. So it's better that always find clients they can respect you, you can respect them, provide them the home they want. And I think it is as simple as that. Recently there was one client and she had great budget, great design expectation. Only thing that conflicted between us is the payment terms. As a company, every company is flexible with their payment terms as per client's requirements, but sometimes there are few terms that client puts you into जिसमें आप बिल्कुल ही comfortable नहीं हो. Before designing also, just to explain her that these are the payment terms and this is how we are going to take it. We have to pay it online and not in cash. All this communication happened multiple times, but it did not fit. Your payment terms and their payment terms are not matching. Your expectation and their expectations are not matching. Definitely it is not going to work out. Yes, वो हमारे लिए बहुत अच्छा स्कोप था, डेफिनेटली था. क्या मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट जस्ट ये कन्फ्लिक्ट के ऊपर मैंने लूज किया है? डेफिनेटली किया है, बट यू नो व्हाट, I slept that night better. That's it for today, guys. I am going to make a video about the green flags of a client. That is also going to teach you what kind of clients you can bring into your business. And also बहुत ज़्यादा जो business आप कर रहे हो excel करो business पे, वैसा एक video बनाऊंगी. That's it for today. मिलते हैं मेरे next video में. तब तक के लिए bye guys. Love you all.